Okay, at another park, yet again, next to another big old tree, again, and got a solid quarter signal, and got this thing. It's not a quarter, looks like brass, it's pretty thick. I don't think there's anything on it other than that little line right there. Don't know. Have to clean it up. Next. Okay, next to another big tree. I got this. It was ringing up, I think, around 80. And I'm guessing it's maybe a pocket watch cover, and there's writing inside. Somebody scratched something in there. So I'm going to have to look at it a little closer and see what it says. Maybe I can find the rest of the watch down there. Well, let's find out. Okay, this got my heart racing a little bit. Got about an 80 signal, about 6 inches deep. Started digging and found this mason jar lid. Thought, aha! Anything under it? See, it's got a glass inside. Unfortunately, that's all there was down there. That was fun for a minute, though. On to the next. Okay, that mason jar lid was right there. Got the same signal right here. Another mason jar lid. There's the hole. Something down there. I'll put this over here so you can watch. If you can see it all. I don't know. There's a lot of junk in this dirt. That little piece of nothing. So, may just be another lid. Yeah, may just be another lid. Oh well. I'll let you know if I find anything good. Okay, I think I got yet another jar lid. The other one was right there. One was over here. And there's one right here. Maybe just lids. Looks like. Yeah, there's another one. They have glass liners in them. I think they're... so far they're all cracked. I'll dig around one more, let you know if I get anything good. I'm beginning to think that I could spend all day digging around here and digging out these mason jar lids. There's another one. That one might be intact. I think all the other ones were broke. That looks alright. Huh. Well, this may be just a dump site here next to this big tree. Should be some other old stuff though, huh? I'd like to think. Well, I'll keep looking. Okay, back home with the finds. I've got some cool mason jar lids here. There's one that's not broke, and it's this one. And it says, genuine zinc cap for ball mason jars. And the rest are broke. This one here says, it's got the name Boyd on it. The other ones aren't marked. It's kind of cool, some older stuff. Dug that up today. That's a pocket watch back. And it's got some writing on the back. I'll post that. I'll take a picture of it and write down what that says. I found this just the other day, so I found 2 pocket watch covers just recently. I wish I could have found the whole thing, but brass plug of some kind. I found that by the big tree, and it's got threads on it. Nothing too impressive there. I think it's brass. Another kind of cap thing here, 3 holes in it. Don't really know what that is. Found part of a license plate. I think it's an older one. Too bad it says G and July. I wish it had the year on it. But I don't know, it looked like they burned it or something. A couple of pieces of junk, just a little bit of clad. There was a little playground there, so I found most of that stuff in the playground. Those guys. So that's about it. It was kind of fun checking out that new park. I think there's some, well, obviously there's some old stuff out there, so I'm intrigued. Maybe I can get back out there and find some old coins. So try that next time maybe. So anyway, thanks for watching and happy hunting.